Aloha and welcome to the Joy of Crafting. And we're going to learn how to make rings today. Really fast and easy, great for beginners. And as always, you know, if I'm showing you how to make it, because I'm an everyday crafter, I know you'll be able to make it too. So sit back and enjoy. We're actually going to use some 20 gauge wire. And this one I'm using is actually a silver wire that has a copper core in it. And I'm going to take about maybe 12 inches of it. And I'm going to use a flush cutter to cut it. But what we're going to do is we're going to just feed this through right now. So when this sits on top, the wire is kind of far away from the mandrel. So what I did was I actually bent it down a little on each side. So now I'm going to get this and I'm going to take one side of the wire and bring it around, and the other side of the wire is coming around the other side. From here, once you get it on here, you're going to actually put one down, one top, and there's two ways you can do this. You can actually hold it and move your mandrel, almost like when you're changing your tire, if you actually change it. You can leave one wrap or you can do another one and come around like this. Now you can get artsy with it. What you do is you grab it and you kind of twist it so you have more of a design versus just a covering. Let me just adjust it, put it back on the mandrel to help keep it round again. Okay, and then you have your ring. So you can have it flat or you can have it up. But like I said, it's a way, a lot of times when you buy a whole strand, you have so many beads, you can make a bracelet. But if you put wire between, you're going to use less beads. You can do earrings, but you can also do a matching ring. Very easy. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you had fun learning how to do some basic wire wrapping to make these simple beaded rings. You know, go check out your stash, go check out your friend's stash, maybe trade some beads, and you guys will come out with some really cute, simple rings that you can wear every day, right? And that's the whole thing. We're all everyday crafters. So if I can make it, I'm sure you can do even better. We can find a lot of our different how-to videos on our YouTube, where you are now, The Joy of Crafting, or find us on Facebook at Joy of Crafting, or again on Instagram at The Joy of Crafting, because we are sharing a lot of different projects all the time. So just go out and have fun, and happy crafting! Bought a whole strand. Just find us on YouTube, Joy of Crafting. No, that's not right. Thank you for joining me. Wrong. Okay. Oh, okay. See you next time. And that was really bad. What am I supposed to say?
Happy crafting?
Happy crafting. That's right. How can I forget happy crafting, right?
On this wire.
Okay.
So it doesn't look unnatural.